Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello, welcome back. I hope everyone had a great weekend. And it is unfortunate I'm talking to you today while BTC price is down 5%. Oh my God, what are we going to do? Teddy, it went down. It did the opposite of what it's supposed to do, which is break 30,000 resistance, right? So I do want to talk about that, exactly why I believe we dipped, and really why I'm not too concerned about it as of right now. Other fun things we all know. First, Republic Bank there is getting basically bailed out by JP Morgan. So, the FDIC did some backhand dealings there. And we're like, hey, the easiest way to solve this problem is we give this bank the number one bank in the United States, JP Morgan, right? JP Morgan Chase. We give them an incentive to buy, and they were able to purchase First Republic. So who knows what backroom dealings happened? We basically all woke up to that this morning. I don't think, unless you were part of the in crowd, there was no way you knew that was happening. So we'll see what ends up happening there as well. I am watching that, as I believe it's important to what's going on. Hey, what's going on? Where's the shout outs? Guys, Ganja Goons in the house representing. Hey, nice to see you, Crypto Pie William in the building. Always a pleasure to see you, buddy. I do want to talk about cryptocurrency today, dude. It's so depressing because I literally last week we watched the global market cap go from 1.17 to 1.21, and we're seeing that retracement just on 0.05 trillion there, but that still caused it to go down 3% across the entire cryptocurrency. Things I do want to shout out: coins that are doing well, that I believe in. Bitcoin. I just wanted to, let you guys answer. But truly, honestly, I still feel BTC is doing great. I think Ethereum is doing great as well. Guys, these are prices where last month you could have never told me, hey, Ethereum is going to be 2x where it was, from like 1200 to 1800, still holding steady. That support is there. And I do want to talk about the support on Ethereum because a few of you guys that have been watching have said, hey, Teddy, I know you don't update the Ethereum support levels that much, and there is a reason. I don't think it's quite established in this area. It probably is in some other crypto trenders and traders. But for me, as of right now, I'm looking at Ethereum, and it's bounced off this support level once, right? From where I've charted it. But let's say that I actually bring this support up, from the last two. If you look at this, is a new day coming in right here. But if you truly see, it's bounced off once, twice, even dipped below the support, which I've now raised to 1804. And we are holding steady in this 1800 range. So 1800 seems to be a mental area where people continue to hold Ethereum, and that is okay, because that's what you want to see. Because what is coming this week? Well, guys, what's coming this week? Really? Do you guys even pay attention to the news? What's coming this week is the FOMC meeting on Wednesday. We're going to find out. On Tuesday, tomorrow, is when they meet. Nothing really happens. Most people expect 0.25 BPS and 0.25. Teddy, what does that mean? What's going to happen if 0.2? Guys, every FOMC meeting that has came out in these last few months, The 0.25 has been great. You know, we've been chasing these 0.25 basis point increases for quite some time, and they've been great for crypto. Especially, let me see here. Can I change this? In the last 3 months, boom. Look at this. Almost every month, it's just increasing. Okay. Okay. April not looking so good. Teddy, what happened April? I forget what happened April. I got to go back, but it was not good in April. But we're literally coming back. Oh, that was April 2022. Okay, thank God. I was like, April last month, like what happened? But literally every month we've been going up. And I love seeing this chart. This is where I want to be if I'm looking, especially at the 3 month, right? Every candlestick is 3 months. So this is great. This is a great um area of support in my eyes, and some people may not agree there, and that's on them. But to me, I'm happy where this chart is. I'm happy with exactly what's going on. Even with Ethereum, this may not be the BTC chart, but even with Ethereum, I think this is okay. I think you guys are in good hands. I think this is a great entry point, especially if this global market cap is not 2 trillion. 2 trillion, we've all 2x'd, guys. 3 trillion, like 3x'd, 4x'd. As the trillions go up, as more adoption happens, this something's got to happen. And why do I say this? So I know I'm beating a dead horse here. So here comes the Teddy Ganja rant. But at some point, you have banks failing. I know Biden says, "Hey, Teddy, this is the last of it. There's no more banks gonna fail on my watch." You know, 2 banks. What is it? 4 banks now that have gone under. It's a crazy number. I believe it's 4 banks have gone under. While this guy's been, let me see, Biden bank rescue. I forget what the actual article was. JP Morgan, Jamie rides to Biden's rescue. Yeah, JP Morgan is the thing that saved Biden. Biden says banking says, here it is, here it is, here it is. And I'm not trying to denounce what he says or say he's not my president or anything crazy like that. But regardless, he says Biden says banking system is safe and sound after regulators seize First Republic. Right? So this is, you read something like this and you're like, really, the people that saved First Republic, FDIC, by giving them what kind of backhand dealings, loopholes, whatever they agreed to, that's how they got the purchase. But I don't think this guy knows what safe and sound means if no one saw it coming. Did anyone see First Republic ready to go under? We all woke up one day and guess what? Hey, today it's this bank. And like that, we witnessed that 4 times, guys. 4 times we witnessed the same story. Oh, it's this bank. Oh, it was this bank before. Silicon Valley Bank. Remember? Did anyone know about SVB? No. Because you know what's important about these banks? It's about the people that are storing the money in the banks. Who's storing and how much? And really, when the bailout happens, I don't think this is concerning, the people that have $250,000 or less. These bailouts are happening for the top 1%. These bailouts are the people that have billions of dollars in these banks and they're mad, right? And when they get big mad, they need someone to rescue them, and they're going to find every single way, because these are all things that we don't get to see because we're all average Joes here. At least I am. I don't know if you guys got inside ties with this and that, but yeah, that's exactly the downfall of the banking system, right? And then you're like, okay, so now under this guy's presidency, anyone's presidency, you see 4 banks fail, and then BTC was made. Ethereum Foundation, one of the sole utilities that they claim to address is transaction speed, transactions, and no dependency on centralized banks, right? Even BTC, the one of the reasons BTC comes out is the monetary replacement for fiat, for the monetary system. It is literally a new system, and that's BTC. As you sit here and you read this, and the amount of times we've read news and it's been wrong, where people say, hey, we have the reserves, there's nothing to worry about. FTX has all the reserves, and our CFO says we're good, right? I feel like this is what's happening right now. This guy says we're good, but really what's happened is some backhand dealings to save a bank that only the top 1% had the most money, and they didn't want to lose their assets. So they found some way to make them happy to keep the system going. I know many of you aren't going to like the way I portray that, but that's really what's happening here, you know? So then I go, so how do I prevent this? How does an average person like me not have to worry about banks going down in 2023, guys, right? We're worrying about banks going down. In any other era of time, especially in the United States, if you said banks going down, even in China, right? Oh, I can't get to my money. There's been so many banking crises. The banking crisis is always going to remain. And that's the eye-opening thing I want our goons to understand. The banks are great. The banks are great if you're holding less than 250,000, which most of us average Joes are. The banks are horrible for the people that hold more than that, because now they're out of money and they're upset. And that's really who this bailout is for. FDIC could have easily insured all these guys, but they figured out some other way. So Biden used this as a way to basically strategize and say, hey, there's nothing going wrong with the banking system right now. And as us goons know, it's not true. That's really not true. There are issues. There's issues with inflation. There's issues with recession. There's issues across the board that these banks are dealing with, and most of them, are waiting for the real estate collapse. They're waiting for another collapse, another system to fail, that they can't get back the money that they have lent out, right? So that is a lot of these finance guys, that's what they're banking on right now in order to ensure, like, hey, the dollar's weakened. We keep reading these articles. This is basically what we're gearing up for, right? Dollar's weakened, banks are crashing. Biden says we're okay. So what do you believe? I'm not trying to go all conspiracy on you, but guys, make sure you smoke that like button, especially if you need some stress relief around here. The best stress relief you can get right now is by smoking that like button and helping the other goons out. So after you smoke that like button, make sure you pass it to the next goon and keep it going. So the more effort made to reassure everything is okay, the more worried I get. I would be more confident if nothing was said. Exactly. If nothing was said, then you're like, all right, whatever, right? But he goes out of his ways to go, hey, guys, don't worry about the banks. We got this. Look, I just saved this bank, Dude, just watch the Porsche video. That looked like an amazing experience. F Joe Crypto. Thank you. I'm glad you enjoyed that video. I had reached out to an editor, Nikita. Dude, amazing dude from Spain. Found him on Upwork. I've been using him. I'm gonna see, if we can do a little bit more. I'm gonna try and get some shorts and stuff. I told you I'm trying to really change the channel and give this direction where I want each one of us to feel happy to come watch me every day, right? Dude, I come here, I sit here every day, Monday through Friday, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. We need to goon out together. So you may see some changes coming to the channel. I know I've been saying this. It is coming, boys. It is coming. So yeah. So I did want to talk about that, and I'm glad we did. So what else has happened? So many things. Dude, BTC is actually, every time I talk to you guys, I feel like 2K is nothing for BTC. BTC goes up and down in 2K in a day. 25 basis points comes in. I think we're golden because I just see it continuing to do well. Uh, 3 months. Yeah, see, it just keeps going up. Just keeps going up, Teddy. There's no down anymore, Teddy. This is the crypto winter's over, Teddy. Every time the Bitcoin halving happens, smoke that GT3 though. Oh, dude, I feel so bad for Dinesh. So, if you guys don't know, I did go to Belgium, and in Belgium, the reason I was there was I won a Porsche NFT experience where I had a Porsche NFT and I signed up for the event, and they were like, "Hey, you won," and I'm like, "Oh my god, I can't believe I won." And they pay for everything. I freaking show up there. They take me to from the airport to the hotel. They have a dinner, drinks, everything, guys. Like literally, I didn't have to do a single thing other than show up. And then at the end, yeah, he had to pay for that. He had to pay for that. So if you guys missed it, I'll show you this YouTube. Bum, 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 da-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Hey, Pepe holders, do your own research. Oh, these guys still stream at 9. Do your own research with Max. I haven't watched Crypto Talk Now in a long time. I got to go back to watching them. I like that guy Max. He's very good at what he does. So it's day number 2, dude. The views are good. I promise you this isn't botted, but I don't know why the views are going up. Let me see. Oh yeah, there it is. It's right in the beginning. I'll show it to you. Dude, he had to pay 5,500, bro. It was a whole thing. It was wild. All right, here we go. All right. All right. Just the first couple of seconds.
Holy shit! 213! We going! We crashed the car.
The GT3, the yellow GT3.
All right,
Dude,
we're all
the
in the
craziest
shuttle.
part about that yellow GT3 is and obviously you guys can watch the full thing on your own time. I have 2 videos. Basically, I have the short 12-minute version and then like the crazy in-depth 47-minute breakdown where you can see more shots of the crash aftermath. They wouldn't let me post the crash on social media. I do have some honesty to keep there. So I didn't post the crash, but I kept everything after that. So it was quite entertaining to have that experience regardless of the crash. And I loved it. I was quite happy to win, and I tried to go to Atlanta, but it looks like that didn't happen. We'll see if they change their mind. I think, maybe because I crashed it. Post that shit. Nah, dude, it's embarrassing. It's embarrassing. I need to get permission from him, and it's really his video. He's the one that did the thing with, dude. It was that was one of the craziest things. But I never had that like life flash before my eyes experience. And the staff was really wild. They're like, "Oh, Teddy, I think you should, go back to the hotel. I think this is rough. Like, this is it. You've already done everything. Just like take it easy, go back." And I'm like, "Nah, dude, I want to do the hot laps. I want to do this. I want to do that." And they're like, "Oh, you should go check out the doctor. You should do this." Dude, they treated me very well. And you were safe. It's a track, right? So even if you crash on a track, the track is designed to safeguard those types of crashes, especially when it comes to high speed. So I felt safe the entire time, even at the speed we were going. I never felt like the Porsche lost control. The Porsche handled that crash very well. Traction control on that, amazing. I definitely have turned into a big Porsche fan, and it's really killing me on the inside because I'm like Lamborghini all the way, Lamborghini, right? And now these freaking Porsches I drive, and I'm just like, what the hell? What the hell? Yo, Lazy Jedi, what is going on, buddy? We're just talking about Bitcoin. Did some retracing. I'm still quite happy. Let me show you that chart. I will clean this chart up. I know. I saw the message. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I will work on it. But my levels work out so well. Guys, I haven't changed these in forever. 26,667, that's when I worry. I know, but that's when I worry. And so far it hasn't reached that. Let me see. Let's go back to the 1 day. So 26,667, dude. Unless it gets somewhere near here, that's the only reason I worry. Other than that, I'm happy. I see another green. We're gonna monitor this, and I know. What was this? Someone called this inverse hangman. I will show you that inverse hangman chart or candlestick. Sorry. Stick or inverted hangman. Sorry. Images. Inverted hangman. So here's the inverted hangman. So if the inverted hangman is on downtrend, yes, then you see it. Usually it indicates it's going to go upward. The one that I think, especially for one of the guys that reached out to me on Twitter, the one I think you're thinking about is this shooting star. Shooting star is on that upward swing. So I'll go back to this BTC chart here. It is very hard for me to say this is shooting star. It's literally two red candles with one green, and it's so tight. It's so tight. I'm sorry, inverted hammer, and it's so tight that I just did not think this is going to change this drastically. And that was one of the reasons I was okay with this retracement, because I think this is really setting the level, because this was a quick ride up and it was a quick ride down. So we're basically leveled out right now. It's like, hey, it pumped up, people took profits. Now we're still lingering. We're still lingering around that 28K mark. I love the 28K mark. Is Mong still doing its thing? Dude, you would drive the Porsche. You just look at the Lambo. Yeah, dude, exactly. Dude, I that's the problem. So I'm like, nah, I can't fall into the Porsche vibe. But dude, if I was gonna get a Porsche, I think I would get the Taycan, because the electric, oh my god, dude. The electric 743 horsepower right there in your hands immediately. You press on it and it's there. There's no wait time. There was nothing. Like, I did the same launch control thing on the GT3. It wasn't the same. It wasn't the same. Ups Mong. Yeah, I gotta look at Mong again. I know we looked at that last time. Let me quickly pull up that chart. Mong. I wasn't feeling it at all, dude. And look at this. We should listen to we should listen to Coochie Boy sometimes. Ugh. How? Dude, there's literally nothing in this. I don't even understand. This literally makes no sense. This. You guys remember this video? If you missed this, we got to play it. This is Mong. You guys want to know what Mong's about? This is what Mong's about. And this token, which Coochie Boy told us last week, I denounced it. I denounced it. I'm like, nah, this is crap, right? And dude, the thing goes freaking wild. All right, here we go. This is Mong.
Now, the number one threat to cryptocurrency is crypto. Bitcoin could be displaced by Ether, which could be displaced by Dodge, which should be displaced by Hamster Coin. And then there's Cobra Coin. And what could Mongoose Coin do to crypto coin? In the area of fiat currency, the dollar will always be more important than the Uruguayan peso, and the Uruguayan peso is not a joke. There'll always be an Uruguay, and the Uruguayan peso will always have some value. Will Mongoose Coin always have a value? I don't know. I just made it up. It's a joke.
That's it. That video got this many people. Oh, I'm sorry. I have to stop share again. Bear with me here, boys. I'm new to here. I just came back. And got to this many. Dude, we learned about this in like here. April 29th. We were here. What happened? That's right. The Mevbot, the freaking Mevbot. Let's see how much money the Mevbot has made, or did they actually finally ban it? I don't see it. Oh, 240. Here it is. Our boy. How much money you make, boy? 10 ETH. This thing has made 10 ETH. This is wild. It's just front running all these transactions. And I went deep into the Mevbot conspiracy plan. He should be in prison for promoting Mong and acting like he ain't no shit. Dude, how did this happen? We literally looked at this last stream and this thing is like this. Damn it, Coochie boy. Damn it, damn it, damn it. I'm trying to make money here, man. Can't be making money moves if you keep believing what I say. Oh, another buy comes in 0.07. Damn it. What even there's literally, I look at this website, I don't even understand the utility. What's the utility? An NFT. Launch, CoinGecko, initial NFT. Like, this feels so ruggy, you know? God damn it. I hate that. But there's nothing I can do. There's nothing I can do. It was never meant to be. I was never going to get it, boys. People actually buying these NFTs? What the hell? They actually are. It has a freaking total it has more volume than that, like some of these NFTs I'm in. What the hell? What is Monk? It's nothing. It's a joke. I just made it up. Damn it, Mr. Sherman, look what you did. You created an entire cryptocurrency meme from your little GIF there, dude. AI, Doge, and Pepe deleted zeros. Yeah, but I thought they retraced again. Didn't they retrace? Should I look at AI, Doge, or Pepe? Did they? Oh, what? I thought they retraced. They made back legway here, so this could keep going. Daddy, we're shooting for the moon. 7 million in liquidity, but I don't like that 500 million market cap. Don't make sense, but it is what it is. RSI real low right now, but dude, this chart is so new. Hot number one. They're just making money up the wazoo here. They got so much money they don't even know what to do with it. You was on track when Pepe and AI Doge. You was on the track when Pepe and AI Doge launched. I know. It's the most, dude. I was trying to buy Trump NFTs when I was on the track. You don't even understand. It turned into a whole thing. And I got to go see how much Trump NFTs are now. I still count myself 21 days ago. Yeah, there was no way. It wasn't even available. These are doing great, dude. Coochie boy, next time you gotta let me know, and I'm be like, hey, Coochie boy told me this play. This is a Coochie boy play. Oh my god, I can't believe that. That is wild. That is literally wild. All right, let's see. Let's go see what our boy is. CoinDesk. You got anything good, CoinDesk? Bitcoin market cap is surging, but retreat from 30K continues. Yeah, obviously. Crypto exchange Poloniex agrees. Dude, what? Why? Oh, is this the KYC one? They didn't do a KYC. Yeah. So now exchanges got to do KYC. That's basically what it is. Yeah, know your customer practices between 2014 and 2019. So even if you implement it later, they're still going back and billing you for it. So Department Office of Foreign Asset Control violations with the U.S. Treasury Department. Okay, interesting. Yeah, at least they're paying it. They're in exchange. They have that money. Even in the last live stream I did, I'm telling you, dude, exchanges is where the money's at. The tokens that are becoming exchanges, or the exchanges that have tokens associated with them, they seem to be doing very well. Bye Bitcoin Bear. What the hell's what? I don't remember. Most read in markets. I don't believe that one bit. Justin Sun to reverse 56 million transfer after CEO. Wait, CZ? What happened with CZ? Binance launch pool airdrops. Oh yeah, CZ went after some guy because he was like, "Hey, this is not just for the whales. You need to use launch pool for everybody." Yeah, remember this. I saw the status thing come through. But I was quite confused on what it was meant for, but now it makes sense. So whale alert transferred from Justin Sun to Binance. Dun dun dun. Our team told Justin if he uses any of these to grab the launch pool SUI token, we will take action against it. Binance launch pools are meant as airdrops for our retail users, not just for a few whales. On the bright side, blockchains are transparent. Yeah, but that wasn't. Yeah. Okay. Yes, this is blockchain. This is transparent. But once it's in your in your centralized exchange, I wonder what could happen. And this guy, he has that much money. I'm sure someone else can grab it for him. It's not even. This almost feels like a show of SUI right now. Ugh. Depressing. Yeah, I like that. That was real news. I agree. Let's see. Micro strategy. Oh, dude, this is hilarious. So Michael Saylor, big fan of Bitcoin, big Bitcoin maxi sometimes, right? Sometimes not, mostly is. They've only lost 18.9 million compared to like 197.6. The reason, he bought more Bitcoin, buddy. He bought 7,500 Bitcoin this quarter. So that helped mitigate his losses, and he's only lost 20 million instead of 200 million. So people are quite happy for Michael Saylor, and I applaud that. How do you feel about CZ saying he is not interested in listing any multi-token projects? I can agree with that because all multi-token in my eyes is another cash grab. Any token that has a multiple tokens in their ecosystem, there's no reason to have multiple tokens in your ecosystem. I don't care what they say. You can figure out how to work with one token throughout the entire ecosystem and make it work. The only reason you have multiple, they have to maintain multiple LP pools, this and that. Now you're getting money in 3 different directions instead of one. I can totally agree with them there. But it's not going to stop them. Multiple tokens and ecosystems are going to grow because we see it with Shiba Inu alone. Not only did people bring up Shiba Inu, they also brought up Bone. They brought up Leash, Treat, all of them. They're all here and right here to stay. Whatever happened with Shibaverse? Remember when people told us Shibaverse, Teddy, it's coming on Valentine's Day, Teddy, it's gonna come and it's gonna change everything. You're gonna see a whole new. By the way, guys, 13 goons in the building. Make sure you're smoking that like button. If you're not allowed to smoke that like button, pass it to the next goon to your right. Make sure he's smoking that like button. And if he's not allowed to smoke it either, can you just click it? It's okay. We're not going to tell anybody. But guys, it has been 30 minutes, about 32, 33. Yeah. I'm going to leave you here. I will be back tomorrow, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. You know where to catch me. This is going to be the most important week for Bitcoin. I will continue to be on top of it, watching it like a hawk, so you don't have to. And make sure you check in with me again tomorrow, every day, 8:15 p.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell this guy. There's some crazy guy out here. How is WSB? Wall Street Bets? Does this mean something else? Am I crazy here? But regardless, tell me later. I gotta go. I will be back tomorrow. Goodbye. Stay safe. And remember, sometimes it's okay to take profits. I'm just kidding. It's still okay to take it all the time. Don't let anyone bully you out of your bag or your profits. I've had it happen to me just recently. If you got to take profits, take the freaking profits. Don't wait for anyone else to approve it or authorize it. Just take the profits. Okay. Goodbye.